Hello everyone. Come and see oh. Come and see this oil bean. Come and see the way the oil bean is. What is coming out from this oil bean? What is this? What is all this? What is this? What is coming out from this oil bean? Oh my God. Come and see oh. Come and see all the body. See what we are seeing right now. These days. See what we are seeing these days. Come and look at this oil bean and see what is happening in the oil bean. Oh my God. What is this oil bean doing? Chai! My! Oh, see what I brought out from this oil bean. See what I brought out from this oil bean. See what I brought out. Look at it. Look at it. Can somebody tell me what this thing is? What is this? Hey! This is what I just bought in the market. Oh. This is what I bought in the market. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? And that is why I want to talk to you today concerning the oil bean. I want to talk to you concerning this oil bean. What is this oil bean? The uses of this oil bean. What is this? What is this oil bean? I will not lie to you. This oil bean is very good. The one I want to use and eat this afternoon. This oil bean in Igbo land, in some part of Igbo land, they use this thing to say welcome. Welcome to you. When you are coming, they are going to buy meat. That is pomo. The head of the meat. Thick place. Then they will use this thing, oil bean, and do it. What we call it is nkwobi. Hey! Nkwobi abdiegu. Nkwobi na aso. Nkwobi asobugo onwe. Ya enye gị nkwobi. Oh my God. Ile uteri. Ama na ụmụnne m ndị n'obodo oyibo na akwụkwa m nkwobi iwere ihe atatịa nkwobi ịchọ ịta anya like this thing is very good for a pregnant woman. It's very good for a pregnant woman. Very, very good. It's good for normal person. Swimming. It's good for fat person like this. You use it to do your lunch. And you see we'll be coming down. While taking it, I'm also taking my wine together. Hey! Are you being nka? Otobunam. On abana brain. My darling, if you want to come and do lunch with me, just run. Sharp. Come and join me. Love Ada Family TV. I love you. God bless you for today.